Friends, how are you? This is our new entry and our team. Always telling you on daily basis because you learn from our team and also earn from Forex market. So look, why our team sell entry from here and what kind of confirmation from here? Look here. Resistance area, this is a resistance area, and this is a drop. Base drop supply zone with bearish engulfing. So this is our resistance, support, and resistance area. If we look in this area, we find here QM. High, 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 low, 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 QM, LBD, low breakdown, R. QM is confirmed because low breakdown so possible. Now, gold touch this area because this area once obstacle for market. SNR support and resistance really base really plus QM, but this area market sweep now and already retested. But this area is strong now, so this our entry in SNR. Support and resistance drop base drop supply area, and in supply area QM is confirmed. Look line chart high 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 low 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 QM. So when market retest here in QM zone our team entry sell from here and our target will be first is this, and possible our team will open these trades. Look this area. Same this. Resistance, support draw base job supplies on QM confirmation. Low low LBD low breakdown, so our team entry. Entry sell from here. Show our this method is drop base drop supply SNR plus QM plus LBD. Low breakdown and confirmation sell entry from QM zone.
Friends, how are you? From our team. Account management service available now. Broker type any as you wish with fast execution. Leverage 500 plate farm mount 5. Profit sharing 50%. You can contact us via Telegram. Thanks.
My dear friend, this is our last night entry point. Market retest our QM zone and go down and touch the M15 demand zone rally base rally 4447. As our market go down 445244447 110 pips. Look here, this was our entry and we profit taking. In 4455 82 pips done. And our this method was SNR. Drop base drop supply plus QM.
Friends, how are you? From our team. Account management service available now. Broker type any as you wish with fast execution. Leverage 500 plate farm mount 5. Profit sharing 50%. You can contact us via Telegram. Thanks.